Good morning, everyone. My name is Sonia, and I am the Managing Director of Spices of Malacca. The purpose of this meeting is to implement a new risk management plan and to communicate the risk management process to the relevant parties. I have developed an action plan to treat risk, and I am implementing the plan as of the conclusion of this meeting. I will in this meeting consult and communicate with relevant stakeholders to identify and assess risk, determine appropriate risk treatment actions and priorities, and explain the risk management process. A risk treatment plan is part of the risk management process and should be included in our action plan to eliminate the negative risks and to look at promoting the opportunities or positive risk. Make sure that plans are complete and provide through guidance to deal with the hazards and risk involved. When implementing plans or conferring with colleagues and employees on roles and duties, make sure we discuss the requirement in full. And we need to also make sure for it. And we need to make sure that we monitor risks on a continual basis. Changes can occur as work progresses, and our initial risk management strategy or processes may need adjusting over time. It also helps to monitor any occurrences of residual risk and to identify ways of managing this. It is prudent to make sure risk management a part of our regular work with colleagues and our team, and make time to discuss this at staff and team meetings. Look to integrate risk management process within our area of operation and encourage a working environment that seeks to maximize the opportunities and diminishes the risk. Record our findings in a format that highlights any issues in concise manner and makes it easy to focus on the point required. I am also inviting relevant parties to assist in the identification of risks. So, if you have any issues you want clarified or would like to provide more input into, inviting your participation to assist in the identification of risk. When seeking to manage risk in the business, first we need to understand the current situation of risk and how this is being addressed throughout the workplaces or business. This will include all aspects of the business and can affect both internal and external stakeholders, and managing risk includes areas as work health, safety operations, finances, environmental and sustainability factors, reporting and compliance and governance. Purpose and objective of this risk management action plan is to help a restaurant, Spices of Malacca, to address potential risks, reduce the likelihood of these risks occurring, and to lessen the impact of these risks if they do occur. Next, the business will face different weaknesses which would make the business a risk-taking process, and these weaknesses should be identified before the business is launched. Launching a restaurant business will face competition from already existing restaurants, and it could impact the growth of the restaurant. Another weakness could be not enough trained or experienced staff, which could lead to poor customer service. On the other hand, this new business will have an advantage over the existing restaurant as the delivery will be done through the external sources, which will be Uber Eats or Menulog, to give fast service. As a new restaurant, the service charges will be cheaper and affordable in comparison to existing restaurant. The main goal of the business Spices of Malacca is to provide a high standard of customer service to make it a successful business. The business also has a goal to bring economic benefit to its internal and external stakeholders. To meet those goals, all stakeholders will participate positively to reduce the risk occurrences as internal stakeholder will help to grow the business by implementing all the rules, policies and strategies. They will also help with the staff training, positive organizational culture and effective communication. I will also maintain risk management documentation in a safe places and create regular electronic and cloud backups. I have also conducted an extensive stakeholder analysis for spices of Malacca. The risk can be analyzed from many different perspectives, which includes political, economic, social, legal, and technological, health, and safety. The location of the restaurant is free from negative political influences, and internal organizational politics will be concerned sorry concerned with how the business is structured and how it is run. Example, the preferences in work approaches and management styles and philosophy. In terms of economic, as the location has a functioning kitchen because it used to be a restaurant before, which will save the expenses of spending, but the rest is all empty. So we all need to make sure health and safety will concern the organization's practices to support the health and well-being of employees and visitors to the workplace. This will include safe premises, safe working methods and systems, economic work areas, safe equipment and machinery, and emergency procedures. In matters of work and health safety, all employees need to be consulted and allowed to contribute in risk identification. Thank you very much for attending this meeting, and if you have any questions or issues or need any clarification, please feel free to ask. Thank you very much.